Have you ever found yourself in a space where you feel like you've outgrown the location, you've outgrown the people, you've outgrown what you're doing, you've outgrown your job, you've outgrown your school perhaps? I've seen that happen to people who even change their courses, and you just realize that your mind has shifted into, a different place, and you're wondering how to leave that place. So this is what I would advise anyone in that space. Okay, so first things first is recognizing that you're not alone. There are so many people who are feeling stuck in the same place, stuck doing the same thing, stuck living a life that's, you start the year, start off with really big goals, and we're in the second half of the year, no, almost. And then wondering, is my life going to be the same? Excuse the noise. It's still kind of rush hour. But is my life going to be the same way it's been, year in, year out? You get to December and you're like, this is what I've achieved, and it really isn't much. And, one thing I've realized is if you keep doing the same thing over and over again. So guys, today's video is going to be all over the place. Just bear with me. Might be a rant, might not be, but might be a yap, might not be. But yes, so you keep doing the same thing year in, year out, and you're expecting different results. So the first thing for me, I'd say I realized is I had to shift. I had to leave my environment mentally before I could physically leave the place. So for your job, that could entail maybe you feel like you want a shift in your career, a pivot in your career, you want, career growth, or just want more money, earning more income. And you could take steps like, writing down your desires in terms of what you'd like for a dream job, maybe how much pay, the benefits, how many working hours, and things like that. So, people are still looking for stability in terms of continuously trying to pursue their dreams and goals, and the desire to actually get there. So the other thing I realized is to not consistently live in a state of future tense. Is me thinking about my visions and my goals, yes, but recognizing that there's a present life happening. There's some things I don't really like in the present life, but I'm not necessarily acknowledging them to the point where, they become all I think about. Another thing I've learned about our minds as human beings, our brains are really, really powerful in the sense that they wire themselves to the shortest path of what you've been concentrating on and thinking about consistently. I know I've mentioned this on previous videos, but I don't think I'll stop talking about it, so that we can keep going over and over it again, even for myself, until it sinks in. So being conscious of your thoughts in terms of, like I said, thinking about the place you want to be, visualizing, having a vision board and all that, having pictures that you can keep referencing to, that this is where I'm going, but still being in the present. So I was talking about environment and, who you surround yourself with. I've recently had to let go of someone I thought was a dear friend, actually two, only because I came to realize that I was holding on to them, really hoping for the best and that they would change and things would turn around in terms of character, the quality of character. So it's really possible to love someone and, really want the best for them, but then you realize that even their character fits into your current state of environment, which is the physical aspect, right? And that translates emotionally, spiritually, and all that. It could also translate financially, because you could be surrounding yourself with someone who is, you want something bigger for yourself, and they're just okay with what's happening, even if that includes struggling. So I don't want to keep this video really long. I want it to be a short video. I want to do more of these outside. I feel like it's just more vibrant and lively. Still do the inside the house videos, but really trying to explore different places, getting back to the things I love and enjoy, and yeah, being able to do videos of that. Sorry, someone is really pulling up close. Cool. Okay. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, this is Actualized. I am building my life in real time and sharing the nuggets and things that have, helped me get to this point and get to the next point, or where I'm going. So please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment. Let me know, you don't have to give out too much information, but please let me know your current state of life in terms of the things you're hoping for. Would you like to travel more? Would you like to leave your job and start homesteading? Would you like to go hiking? Would you want to take a gap year? I'd be really interested and really keen to know. And it's been awesome talking to you guys. I'll see you in the comments. Bye.